The AVAIL for AutoCAD and Civil 3D add-in includes the ability to harvest your block libraries, making them centrally accessible and searchable in the AVAIL desktop. In this example, I've opened a library containing road signage blocks. To harvest those blocks into AVAIL, I'll go into harvest mode and then start to build my harvest queue. Before clicking Run, I want to review my harvest settings to ensure I've got the correct destination channel and distribution location for the blocks once they've been harvested. You also have options to preserve your colors and even prompt for scale, rotation, and explode on insert. Enabling or disabling the block placement settings will determine the default behavior of the block when it returns to the project. Once you're done making your changes, be sure to click Save Settings. You can review your harvest queue one last time before clicking Run. Once the harvest process is complete, it's time to check the destination channel to see the blocks extracted in the library. I now see the 4 items I just harvested in the destination channel. Harvested blocks instantly become fully text searchable across your entire AVAIL library. This is just one of the many benefits of harvesting blocks through AVAIL. Thanks for tuning in. Explore the next video to dive deeper and learn more about AVAIL.